Yesterday we installed the RTR rocker splitters and they look absolutely killer on the S650, but it's time to complete that look by installing the RTR quarter splitter. So we're going to start off by taking out these two push clips here. Put your RTR quarter splitter into place. Use those factory clips that you just took out. Put them in. And then now we're going to drill a small hole and use a clip that the kit provides to be able to mount it. Grab a 1/4 inch drill bit and a drill. Come up here to the rear quarter splitter where the hole is and drill a hole. Grab the clip that's provided in the kit to be able to mount it. Push your clip in. And now your RTR quarter splitter is installed and you're ready to rock. We're all wrapped up with installing the RTR quarter splitters. They look really good and it was a super easy install. You should be able to knock this out in about 5 minutes for both sides. If you want to purchase these, we will have a link down below in the description, but it's time to drop a gear and disappear and we'll catch you on the next one.